Global Markets Roundup. Weekly updates on global gold markets, global stock markets, global currency markets, and global economic updates. Myself, Sajid Kumar. Global economic updates. International Monetary Fund has recently released World Economic Growth Outlook projections. In 2019, world GDP was 2.8%. As per the forecast 2020, it will contract to minus 4.4. However, in 2021, the world GDP will grow to 5.2%. US in 2019 was 2.2% and it will contract to minus 4.3% in 2020 and forecasted 3.1% growth in 2021. Europe, it was 1.3 in 2019. It will contract to minus 8.3 in 2020 and as per the projections, it will grow to 5.2% in 2021. UK, it was 1.5 in 2019 and it will contract as per the projections to minus 9.8 in 2020 and it will grow to 5.9% in 2021. Canada, it was 1.7% in 2019 and as per the projections, it will contract to minus 7.1% in 2020 and it will grow to 5.2% in 2021. China, it was 6.1% in 2019 and as per the projection, it will come down to 1.9% in 2020 and it will grow up to 8.2% in 2021. India, it was 4.2% in 2019. As per the forecasting, it will contract to minus 10.3 in 2020. However, it will grow to 8.8% in 2021. UAE, it was 1.7% in 2019 and as per the forecast, it will come down to minus 6.6 in 2020 and it will grow to 1.3% in 2021. Saudi Arabia, it was 0.3% in 2019 and as per the projections, it will come down to minus 5.4 in 2020 and it will grow to 3.1% in 2021. Qatar, it was 0.8% in 2019 and as per the projection, it will come down to minus 4.5 in 2020 and it will grow 2.5% in 2021. Oman, it was minus 0.8% in 2019. As per the projections, it will contract to minus 10%. However, it will again the contract in 0.5% in 2021. Kuwait, it was 0.4% in 2019 and as per the projections, it will come down to minus 8.1% and in 2021, it will grow to 0.6%. Qatar, it was 0.8% in 2019 and as per the projections, it will come down to minus 4.5 and in 2021 it will grow to 2.5%. Global gold market update. Last week, international gold trading ended with a negative note and closed at the level of $1,878 per ounce. This week, gold price will fluctuate highly, especially on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday due to US election. However, considering the weakness in the global stock markets and uncertainty in the market due to the COVID cases are increasing, that will be very much supportive for gold price this week. Dubai, the city of gold, has closed lower last week and quoted 227 dirhams per gram for 24 karat gold. Newly launched US gold digital stable currency quoted as unchanged as $2,540 per ounce. Gold futures trading and gold exchange traded funds were also closed last week lower and expecting a lower trend this week. US election weak stock markets, especially global stock markets and COVID-19 cases will make gold price highly fluctuating for this week. Global stock market update. Last week, Indian stock market and US stock market had closed trading in red. This week, global stock market will be highly volatile based on US election uncertainty and COVID-19 cases are increasing globally. Last week, Sensex had closed trading at the level of 39,614 and marking 135 points down. Nifty had also closed at the level of 11,642 and marking 28 points down. US stock market had also closed last week trading in lower level. Not having a clear picture on US election and COVID-19 cases are increasing, that will make US market this week also in negative. Dow Jones had closed last week trading lower and marked at 157 points down. Nasdaq also closed at last week at a lower level and marked 274 points down. However, last week European stock market closed in a mixed trend. FTSE had closed trading in higher and marked 70 points up. However, the DAX had closed at the level of 41 points down. This week, Gulf stock markets started trading in a lower level. Dubai financial market closed at the level of 35 points down. Abu Dhabi Stock Exchange 25 points down. Kuwait Stock Exchange 124 points down. Bahrain Exchange 0.95 points down. Oman Muscat Securities 5 points down. Saudi Stock Exchange 42 points down, and Qatar Exchange marked 0.50 points down. This week, US election, FIA sell tendency, COVID-19 second wave cases that will make global markets and Indian stock markets into a negative territory. Global currency market update. Last week, Indian rupee had closed 2 months low at the level of rupees 74.10 against the US dollar. Weak global stock markets, FIA started selling from Indian stock market. US presidential election uncertainty and COVID-19 cases are increasing. Those factors were negative for Indian rupee last week. Last week, UAE dirhams closed at 20.20 level, Saudi Riyal 19.85 level, Qatari Riyal 20.240, Omani Riyal 193.60, Bahraini Dinar 197.70, Kuwaiti Dinar 243.70, Euro 86.80, British Pound 96.90, Canadian Dollar 55.98 and Australian Dollar 52.40. This week, Indian rupee will be highly fluctuating against US dollar. If FIIs are selling continuously from the Indian stock markets, and if stock markets are continuously weakening, that will be negative for Indian rupee, and Indian rupee may touch 74.50 level.